What if I told you the universe is not just sitting there peacefully, it is expanding right now? Every second, galaxies are moving farther apart, not because they are flying away, but because space itself is stretching. So, the big question is, why is the universe expanding and will it ever stop? Let's break it down simply and clearly. Most people imagine the Big Bang as a giant explosion. That's wrong. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space, it was an expansion of space itself. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the universe was extremely hot and dense. Then space began to expand everywhere in all directions. There was no center, no edge, no outside, everything expanded together. It was space itself unfolding, not debris flying into emptiness. This is the first key to why the universe keeps growing. Scientists discovered something strange. When they looked at distant galaxies, their light was redshifted, meaning the light waves were stretched. And here's the key point. The farther a galaxy is, the faster it is moving away. This is called Hubble's law, and it proves one thing clearly. The universe is expanding uniformly in all directions. It's the cosmic version of a siren shifting to a lower pitch as it moves away. As space stretches, the light itself stretches. That's what our telescopes measure. Across the sky, thousands of galaxies tell the same story. Einstein's general theory of relativity tells us that space and time are not fixed, they can stretch, bend, and expand. When Einstein's equations are applied to the universe, an expanding universe naturally appears. In fact, a static universe is unstable, expansion is the default behavior. Even history shows how reluctant we were to accept that, but the math was clear. The fabric of space-time prefers to evolve. In 1998, scientists made a shocking discovery. The universe is not slowing down, it is expanding faster over time. Something mysterious is pushing space apart. They called it dark energy. Dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe, acts like a repulsive force, pushes galaxies away from each other. We don't know what it is, but we know what it does. Acceleration changes our cosmic future. It reshaped cosmology and our expectations. You might wonder, if space is expanding, why aren't we expanding? The answer is gravity. Gravity dominates on small scales, dark energy dominates on cosmic scales. So, atoms stay together, planets stay in orbit, galaxies remain intact. But galaxy clusters drift apart, bound systems resist expansion, vast voids don't. Is the universe expanding into something? Short answer is no. The universe is not expanding into empty space. Instead, space itself is expanding. As the balloon inflates, the dots move away not because they are moving, but because the surface itself is stretching. That's our universe in 3 dimensions. According to current evidence, expansion will never stop. Galaxies will disappear beyond our observable horizon. The universe may end in a heat death, cold, dark, and empty, a silent universe slowly fading away. For a very long time, our local group remains an island, then the stars themselves fade. The story stretches across unimaginable time scales. So, why is the universe expanding? Because space-time has been stretching since the Big Bang, and dark energy is now accelerating that expansion. The universe is not static. It is alive, dynamic, and constantly changing. If you enjoyed this explanation, like the video, comment your thoughts, subscribe to Knowledge Suitcase because knowledge is meant to be explored.